My voice is clearly audible. So let some more people, some more children join the class, and then we will start the class. I request all of you to join the class on time, okay? Your class time is 11:25. Okay, so I request all of you to join the class by 11:30. After 11:30, no student will be allowed to enter the class. So all of you join the class before 11:30, okay? And I request all of you to just put earphones, okay? Because that then my voice will be more audible to you. Just put your earphones so that my voice is more audible to you all. Hello children, good morning everyone. I hope I am visible to you all now. Visible or not visible? Visible, clearly visible. Visible? Okay. Good morning everyone. Some students are here, some are still not there. I'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we will start the class. So I hope all of you are doing well at your homes. How are you doing at your homes? All good or not good? How is Corona going? Okay, some people are latecomers who are coming now. Okay, let's wait for the latecomers as well. Some latecomers are also there in the class. Who is? Okay, some people are still joining. Okay, so it's 11:30 and let's start the class now. Okay. Okay, children, where were we? We were on chapter number 3, The Little Girl. Okay, so this chapter was about a little girl who, and what's her name? We don't know. Okay, we don't know the name of the little girl. It was Kezia. We still know. Okay, so just revise whatever is taught to you in the class. Okay, just don't be just dumb and sit in the class. Okay, ma'am, jo sun rahi hai to bhajan sun lenge. It's not bhajan, babies. It's about revising the class, which whatever is taught to you. Okay, so this is a little girl whose name is Kezia, and this girl, she's afraid of her father. Okay, so she's this girl, little girl, who's afraid of her father, and her father. Why is she so much afraid of her father? Because this girl, she thinks that her father is a giant person, and she does not communicate well with her father. So she's afraid of her father. There's father in the house, there's mother in the house, there's grandmother in the house, and there's this little girl, Kezia. Okay, so she's all explaining how she behaves with her father. वो फादर से क्यों डरती है, उसके फादर के सामने स्टटर करती है, हकलाती है. So why all does that happen? So she explains why this happens. Okay. So all the children, put your earphones and switch on your cameras. Some of you have still not switched on your cameras. So just switch on your cameras so that I can see what you all are doing. And कौन कौन बच्चे हैं जो उबासियां नहीं मार रहे हैं क्लास में? I just want to see those children. There are some people who are like start होगी तब देखेंगे. So just be alert in the class and let's start the class. Okay. So this little girl, where were we? I had given you this assignment number 3. So how many of you have submitted and how many of you have still not submitted the assignment? Some of you have submitted. Raise your hands who have submitted this assignment. I am seeing that only some people are there who have submitted, and some people always submit their assignments, and some people are there who never submit their assignments. Yes, Anjali Vaishnav, I know that you submit your assignment very regularly. I request all the students, Anushka also submits her assignments very regularly. Others also submit your assignments in time because that will be beneficial for you all. Okay. So, this assignment, how many of you have submitted? Let's solve this assignment. What was Kezia preparing for her father's birthday? What was she preparing? What was this girl Kezia preparing? She was preparing a cushion for her father's birthday. Why do you think father was upset with Kezia? Why is father upset with Kezia? father of Kezia is upset with her because she has torn down the very important speech of Kez and she has put the put the scatters into the cushion. Okay, the father is upset because this girl Kezia has torn down his very important speech. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. If my text is visible to you all, the text is visible to you all on the screen, visible or not visible? The text is visible or not visible? Give me a thumbs up if the text is visible or not visible. Just tell me. My text on the screen, the chapter is visible to you or not? Tell me. Text is visible or not visible? My voice is clear. Text is visible to you. Give me a thumbs up. Text is visible to you. See, if the text is not visible, just open your books and start on the chapter number 35, page number 35. Okay, just in case if the text is not visible to you on the screen, take out the page number 35. Okay, so now the father has beaten Kezia because she has torn down his very important speech. Now, when someone beats you, what do? You start crying, right? So Kezia is also crying too much to explain. She lay in the shadowed room, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. Okay, so now this girl is crying and she is laying in the shadowed room. Shadowed room means what? Dark room. A room where there is no light. Andhera jahan pe ho, that is called as a shadowed room. Okay, so this little girl, Kezia, she is lying in a shadowed room. एक अंधेरे कमरे में बैठी है और वहां से जो लाइट आ रही है थोड़ी थोड़ी, she is looking at that. All in all, she is very sad. She is very sad because her father has beaten. Then father came into the room with the ruler in his hands. Now Kezia's father, he comes with the ruler, scale लेके आते हैं केजिया के रूम के अंदर. So वो scale क्यों लेके आएंगे केजिया को नापने के लिए तो नहीं लाएंगे ना. Now he has brought this scale so that he can beat Kezia because he is so angry. So he wants to beat Kezia for her mistake. I am going to beat you for this, he says. Now the father says that I am going to beat you. I am going to beat you, Kezia. Oh no no no! She screamed, hiding under the bedclothes. Now the Kezia है वो चादर में छुप जाती है कि no no no, please don't beat me. She shouts. He pulled them aside. So now the father, he pulls the bedsheet aside and he orders her to sit up. Sit up, he ordered, and hold your hands. So बैठो और अपने हाथ निकालो. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. So I want to beat you so that I can teach you a lesson that जो चीज तुम्हारी नहीं है उसको तुम्हें टच नहीं करना है. I want to teach you that. But it was for your birthday. Now Kezia explains कि मैंने तो आपके birthday के लिए बनाया था. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Okay, so now father beats her on pink palms. छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनके red color के pink color के hands होते हैं ना. Palms मतलब हथेली. Okay, so now the scale the ruler comes on her pink palms. Okay, ruler से उसको मारते हैं. How hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. So now the grandmother जो है उसको hug करती है कि कोई बात नहीं, if your father has beaten her, okay, but you just sleep now. Now Kezia is very much angry with her father. Earlier the father was angry with Kezia, उसकी पिटाई हुई. Now Kezia is also angry with her father कि मुझे क्यों मारा पापा ने. Why did God make fathers fall? Father, now Kezia इतनी angry है कि वो God से पूछ रही है कि आपने fathers को बनाया ही क्यों? वो इतने ज्यादा गुस्सा है. That why have you made fathers fall? Fathers क्या काम किया? पिटाई कर रहे हैं तो क्या काम किया? वो इतनी ज्यादा गुस्सा है, ये सब बोल रही है वो. She sobbed. Who sobbed? Sob means subak के रोना. Okay, so she sobbed. Kezia sobs and she asks father, आपने God को पूछती है कि आपने fathers बनाए ही क्यों है? Here's a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose and go to sleep. Now, Kezia's grandmother, she replies, ये लो hanky लो बेटा, nack साफ करो और अभी सो जाओ. You are so much angry and you are so much sad. You just sleep, okay? You will forget all about in the morning. तो इस सब के बारे में morning में भूल जाओगी. Okay, you will forget all about it in the morning. जब सुबह होगी तब ये सब तुम भूल जाओगी and you won't be sad anymore. और ज़्यादा sad नहीं होगी. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. मैंने father को explain किया. Kezia says, I have explained to father, but the father was so angry that he did not listen to me about anything. But the child never forgot. Okay, but the child never forgot. Okay. अब जो बच्ची है, जो केजिया है, उससे वो कभी नहीं बोली. ग्रैंडमदर को लगा ये सो जाएगी, सुबह तक सब भूल जाएगी कि इसके फादर ने इसको पिटाई की, सब कुछ. बट द चाइल्ड केजिया, शी नेवर फॉरगेट्स. उसको हमेशा याद रहता है कि फादर ने उसकी पिटाई की थी. नेक्स्ट टाइम she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back. So next time whenever she saw her father, जब भी अपने पापा को देखी थी, what did she used to do? अपने दोनों हाथ पीछे कर लेती थी कि कहीं उसकी फिर से पिटाई ना हो जाए. उसको फादर को देख के सिर्फ एक ही बात याद आती थी कि उसकी पिटाई हुई थी रूलर से. The father had beaten her with the rulers. She always used to think. So now whenever she sees her father, she puts both her hands behind her back. दोनों हाथ अपने छुपा लेती है कि कहीं उसकी फिर से पिटाई ना हो जाए. She is so much afraid and she's so much angry with her father. The McDonald's lived next door. So अब इनके पड़ोसी हैं, केजिया के जो neighbors हैं, they are McDonald's. They lived next door, just पास में ही रहते थे. McDonald's family का नाम है McDonald's. Burger नहीं है यहाँ McDonald's. McDonald's is the family who lives near Kezia. Okay. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence, yeah, my voice is audible again. There was some technical issue. Audible, my voice is full. My voice is audible. Okay. Oh, okay. So now McDonald's, they used to live in the next door. They were the neighbors of Kezia. They had 5 children. उनके 5 बच्चे थे. And उनको हमेशा जो केजिया थी वो खेलते हुए देखती थी. Okay. केजिया के घर में कैसा माहौल है? Her father, she is afraid of her father. She has no one to talk to. But उनके पास में जो पड़ोसी थे, she always used to see that they are playing tag. Tag मतलब जैसे जो पकड़म पकड़ाई होती है, it is called as tag. Okay. So the McDonald's, the little girl, she saw them playing tag in the evening. वो हमेशा शाम को खेल रहे होते थे. The father was with the baby, Mao on his shoulders, and what कैसा माहौल था वहाँ पे? जो father थे, वो उन्होंने ये जैसे कि McDonald's है, इनके साथ ये 5 बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. और ये केजिया, she used to look at them, and she used to feel sad that उनके घर में इतना खेलते हैं सब लोग. उनके father जो हैं especially, he plays with the children, and my father, he does not play with me. So Kezia used to feel sad about that. कि McDonald's जो है इतना मस्ती करते हैं और मेरे घर में there is no one to talk to, and she is not able to talk to anyone, and she does not understand why my father is like that. Okay. The father with the baby Mao on his shoulders, 2 little girls hanging to his coat pockets, ran around and around the flower beds. Okay, so now they used to play like that in the house, shaking with laughter, and they used to laugh a lot because they were playing, so they used to laugh a lot. Once she saw the boys turn the hose on him, and he tried to catch them laughing all the time. So एक बार father की turn आई पकड़म पकड़ाई खेलने की, and the father was running behind the children. So it was a very happy scene for Kezia. But she compares this scene at McDonald's to her family. कि McDonald's की family इतनी मस्ती करती है, इतना हंसते हैं ये लोग. But in my family, I have no one to talk to. I have no one to play with. And my father, he does not play with me. Okay, McDonald's के father तो उनके साथ खेलते हैं, but my father, he does not play with me. So she feels so sad about it. Then it was she decided there were different sorts of fathers. So now what does Kezia conclude about that? कि fathers सारे same नहीं होते हैं. Fathers अलग अलग type के होते हैं. There are different kinds of father. Her father is very strict in nature, and the father who is at McDonald's, जो इनके पास में है, who is the neighbor of Kezia, he is a very Laughter one father. He's very frank father. वो बहुत हंसते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं. But my father is very strict. Kezia's father is strict. So Kezia, all in all, she concludes that there are different kinds of fathers. अलग-अलग type के father होते हैं. Suddenly, one day, mother became ill. Okay, so एक दिन क्या हुआ? Kezia की mother जो है वो बीमार हो गई. And she and grandmother went to hospital. So the mother and the grandmother both they went to hospital because Kezia's mother she became ill. Aryan Jain, your video is not there. Just be visible, okay? And just don't play with the camera. Suddenly, one day, mother became ill, and she and grandmother went to hospital. Okay, so they went to hospital. Who? Mother and the grandmother. They both went to hospital. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook. So mother and grandmother, they both went to the hospital. And now who is at home? Alice and the cook, जो the cook है, उनका नाम है Alice और Kezia. दोनों सिर्फ घर पे अकेले हैं. That was all right in the daytime. अब दिन में तो सब ठीक था. Kezia had this habit of living alone. She could live alone easily in the daytime. But when it was night, but while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. But जब Alice उसको सुलाने गई, तो उसको डर लगने लगा. She was very afraid because she's a little child. She's a toddler, so she's afraid of dark. She's afraid of night. So now Kezia is afraid of everything. What will I do if I have a nightmare? She asked. Now who is she here? Kezia. She asked to Alice. मैं क्या करूंगी अगर मुझे कोई nightmare आएगा? Nightmare is कोई भी डरावना सपना होता है. That is called as a nightmare. Okay. So now Kezia asked Alice, what will I do if I have a nightmare? अगर कोई डरावना सपना आएगा तो मैं क्या करूंगी? I often have nightmares. मुझे बहुत बार डरावने सपने आते हैं. I often have nightmares. And then Granny takes me into her bed. So whenever I have a nightmare, Kezia is speaking all this, that whenever I have a nightmare, my granny comes, मेरी दादी आती है, and she takes me into her room. और वो मुझे अपने रूम में लेके चली जाती है. I can't stay in the dark. Now Kezia is afraid of dark. So she is explaining to Alice that I can't stay in the dark. मैं dark में नहीं रह सकती, अंधेरे में नहीं रह सकती. It all gets whispery. क्योंकि अंधेरे में मुझे डर लगता है और मुझे आवाज आती है. So she's a little child, and generally small kids, little children, toddlers, they're afraid of dark. Just they're in general afraid of dark. We are also afraid of dark. So many of us are afraid of dark. So Kezia is a small child, and she's also afraid of dark. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice. Alice बोलती है तुम सो जाओ आराम से. Pull off her socks, and you scream and wake your poor pa. So Alice explains her, तुम सो जाओ चुपचाप से आराम से सो जाओ, but you just don't shout and चिल्लाना मत क्योंकि तुम्हारे पापा भी सो रहे होंगे तो उनको मत जगाना. Okay. So now घर पे केजिया अकेली है. She has no one to sleep with. उसको अंधेरे में उसको डर लग रहा है और अगर डर लग रहा है तो Alice has explained that you don't shout so that you don't wake up your father. तुम्हारे पापा जग जाएंगे, so just don't wake up your father. Okay. But the same old nightmare, it came with it was a butcher with a knife and a rope who came nearer and nearer, smiling that dreadful smile. वापस उसको वही का वही सपना उसको हमेशा आता है. क्या होता है इसके अंदर? एक butcher है, एक कसाई है. कसाई मतलब जो जानवरों को काटते लाते थे कसाई. So there's a butcher with a knife and a rope, and he is coming closer to her. It is a nightmare which comes to her very often, very regularly. And he's coming nearer and nearer, smiling that dreadful smile. And the butcher, he is smiling at her. उसको dreadful smile मतलब with an evil smile, बहुत डरावनी हंसी के साथ butcher जो है उसके पास आ रहा है. She's having this nightmare. While she could not move, could only stand still, crying out, "Grandma, Grandma!" And now this kid, Kezia, she starts shouting, "Grandma, Grandma!" She दादी दादी चिल्लाने लग जाती है. Just this small child. She woke, shivering, to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. Shiver means what? डर से कांपना, to quiver, to shiver, to shake with fear. That is called as shivering. She woke, shivering, to see father beside her bed. Okay, अब वो डरते हुए उठी, एकदम कांपते हुए, और उसने देखा that her father is sitting beside her in the bed. उसके father उसके पास बेड में बैठे हैं. A candle in his hand, और उनके हाथ में candle है. Oh, a butcher. What's the matter? He said. Now the father asks her, कि क्या हुआ? क्यों डरी हुई हो तुम? Oh, a butcher. A knife. I want granny. She explains कि एक butcher है, एक knife है. She is trying to explain, but she is so much afraid of the dream. She's dream से वो बहुत डरी हुई है. तो बताती है कि एक butcher है, एक knife है, तो मुझे दादी चाहिए, मुझे डर लग रहा है. He blew out the candle. Now the father, he blows out the candle. He bent down and caught up the child in his arms. So now वो child को उठाते हैं. Child means who here? केजिया को वो गोदी में उठाते हैं. Carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. Okay, so now the father takes Kezia into the big bedroom. He takes her up, he carries her, and he moves into the big bedroom. A newspaper was on the bed. There was a newspaper on the bed, on the father's bed. He put away the paper. Now the father removes the paper from the bed and carefully tucked up the child. And now he puts Kezia on bed carefully, very slowly. He lays down beside her, and the father sleeps with Kezia. कि कहीं इसको डर ना लगे, तो father sleeps with Kezia. Half asleep still with the butcher smile all about her. It seemed उसको फिर से लेकिन केजिया का सपना फिर भी चल रहा है उसको and she is so much afraid. उसका आधा सपना अभी भी चल रहा है. She is so much afraid and अभी भी उसके दिमाग में उसके ड्रीम में जो butcher है जो कसाई है he is smiling. It's like जो devil smile होती है वैसे हंस रहा है. She crept close to him. So now केजिया जो है वो अपने फादर के पास खिसक गई. Snuggled her. Snuggle means to hug someone, to embrace someone. Okay, to cuddle someone, किसी को गले लगाना. So the little girl Kezia, she snuggled her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. तो father जो Kezia है वो कस के वो father से चिपक गई क्योंकि she is afraid of the nightmare. Then the dark did not matter. She lay still. अब उसको अंधेरे से डर नहीं लग रहा था. And she lay still. अब वो आराम से सो गई. Okay, because now she was not afraid of the dark because the father was with her. Okay, earlier she was so much afraid of her father. In the beginning of the chapter, वो कभी उनसे बात भी नहीं करती थी. हमेशा उनको avoid करती थी. But now her father is sleeping with her. उसको nightmare आ रहा है, तो he is helping her out. So now she cuddles the father and she lays still. Here, rub your feet against my leg and get them warm. और फादर उसको बोलते हैं कि तुम्हारे पैर जो है, you rub your feet against my leg so that your feet can get warm and you can sleep nicely. Tired out, he slept before the little girl. अब दोनों सो रहे हैं लेकिन वो फादर बहुत थके हुए हैं काम से. He is so much tired that he sleeps before the girl. तो केजिया से पहले वो सो जाते हैं. He is so much tired. A funny feeling came over her. अब उसको बहुत ज्यादा funny feeling आ रही है कि मेरे से पहले ही father सो गए. How funny is that? Poor father, not so big after all. So how she explains the father now? Earlier, what did she say about her father? That he is a giant. उनका हाथ भी बहुत बड़ा है, उनका face भी बहुत बड़ा है, और बहुत giant जैसी feeling आती थी उसको. But now, when she has cuddled her father, she has embraced her father. She sees that no, father is not so big. I used to think that father is so big. Father बहुत बड़े हैं, एक giant जैसे बड़े हैं, राक्षस जैसे बड़े हैं, but he is not so big. अब उसको उसके father के लिए दया से आ रही कि इतना काम से थके हुए हैं, फिर भी he is helping me out. And with no one to look after him. जैसे Kezia, who looks after Kezia? Her grandmother looks after her. There is Alice, the cook, who looks after her. Her mother looks after her. But who looks after the father? There is no one who looks after the father. जैसे आपके घर में आपकी मम्मी आपका ध्यान रखती है, आपकी दादी आपका ध्यान रखती है, और आपके पापा का ध्यान कौन रखता है? कोई नहीं रखता, right? There is no one. There is no one who looks after your father. Father अपना ध्यान खुद ही रखते हैं. सारा काम करके आते हैं, इतना थक के आते हैं, फिर भी अपना ध्यान रखते हैं, आपका ध्यान रखते हैं. To all the children. Okay, so that is what a father is. Father, he seems strict लगते हैं कि बहुत पिटाई करेंगे हर चीज पे, but he is not so strict. He is a caring father. All the fathers are very caring, but वो show नहीं करते हैं. They work hard for you and they care for you, but they don't show. But they don't show their feelings. अपनी feelings नहीं दिखाते कि कैसे, जैसे मम्मी तो है, मम्मी आपको प्यार कर लेती है, but father, he is strict, he is calm, but he cares for you and he has no one to look after. उनका कोई ध्यान रखने के लिए भी नहीं होता. He was harder than grandmother, but it was a nice hardness. अब केजिया हमेशा किसको हग करके सोती थी? To her grandmother, who was a very soft, who had a very soft skin. But her father, he had a hard skin, and every day he had to work, and he was too tired to be Mr. McDonald's. Now she is understanding कि उसके father जो है वो McDonald's जैसे क्यों नहीं खेलते हैं. That my father is every day he works so hard and he is too tired. बहुत थक जाते हैं, बहुत काम करके आते हैं कि वो मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड जैसे मेरे साथ नहीं खेल सकते. Now this little girl, she is growing up and she is understanding why her father is behaving like her. उसके father ऐसे behave क्यों करते हैं और father उसके मैकडोनल्ड से different क्यों है. He had torn up all his beautiful writing. She stirred suddenly and sighed. उसको फिर उसको अब खुद पे बुरा लग रहा था कि मैंने फादर की जो इतनी मेहनत से लिखी हुई जो स्पीच थी, do you remember? She has torn down the speech of the father. So now Kezia is feeling so bad about it that she has torn down the speech of her father जो उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत से लिखी थी. I have torn down the speech and she is so sad about it कि मैंने क्यों किया ऐसा. She is feeling guilty about it. What's the matter? Asked her father. Now Kezia's father asked, क्या हुआ? Another dream? फिर से तुमको कोई सपना आया क्या? Oh, said the little girl. My head's on your heart. I can hear it going. मेरा सर जो है, मैं आपके पास चिपक के सोई हुई है ना. केजिया जो है आपसे चिपक के सोई हुई है फादर से. And her head is on your heart. जब आप किसी को हक करते हो, तो your head is near the heart of the other person, right? So my head is on your heart. केजिया का जो सर है वो she can listen to the heartbeat of father. I can hear it going. So Kezia can listen to the heartbeat of father. What a big heart you have got, father dear. Now Kezia says कि आपका दिल कितना बड़ा है. So what is the meaning of this phrase? What a big heart have you got, father dear? कि आप कितने केयरिंग हो. आपका किसी का दिल बड़ा होना का मतलब क्या होता है कि सामने वाला पर्सन बहुत अच्छा है. That सामने वाला पर्सन बहुत केयरिंग है. He has a noble heart. He has a kind heart. So now the feelings of Kezia have changed. That earlier her father, he was, उसको लगता था बहुत डरावनी है, बहुत डरती थी. She never used to talk to her father. She just used to talk to her grandmother. And she used to think that father never plays with her. Mr. McDonald's, he plays with the children, but her father, he never plays with her. So she was very sad. And she complains to God that why have you made fathers for? What have you made fathers for? कि आपने fathers बनाए ही क्यों है? इतनी गुस्सा थी. But later on, as the chapter proceeds, now this girl, Kezia, जो है अब उसको उसके फादर को समझ में आ रहा है कि उसके फादर इसे क्यों बिहेव करते हैं. Now she has become understanding. Earlier, she had a feeling of fear towards her father, but now she has a feeling of understanding towards her father. अब उसको समझ में आ रहा है कि उसके फादर ऐसे क्यों बिहेव करते हैं, कि वो थक जाते हैं तो उसके साथ खेल नहीं सकते. जैसे मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड्स खेलते हैं अपने बच्चों के साथ. Her father cannot play with her because he is so tired. He works so hard for her that he cannot play with her. Okay, so what does this chapter teaches you? That all the fathers are different, but all of them are caring. ठीक है, fathers जो हैं सारे अलग अलग होते हैं, different होते हैं, but सारे के सारे जो हैं वो caring होते हैं. Okay, so for today's assignment, you have to complete these two questions. The questions are, what were Kezia's views about the father at McDonald's house? Okay, जो McDonald's के जो father थे, Kezia उनके बारे में क्या सोचती थी कि वो कैसे हैं? Okay, first question. And the second one is, how was the behavior of Kezia's grandmother? Kezia की जो grandmother थी, उनका behavior कैसा था पूरे chapter में overall? Okay, so you have to complete this assignment and you have to submit to me on Scholars ERP. I'll be waiting for your assignments. So I just want to see the whole class once. I just want to see all the people. Switch on your cameras who have not switched on their cameras up till now. I want to see the whole class here. Aryan Jain is here. Nishant is here. Anushka is here. Harhit is here. Jeet is here. Harshit Kandelwal is here. Okay, it's Harhit and Harshit. Okay, I guess I'm pronouncing it in a wrong way. Harhit and Harshit. Okay. Guniri is here. Darshan is here. Amni is here. Aditi is here. Anjali is here. Vishaka is here. Nandini is here. Others also join the camera faster. I can see all your faces. I can see the whole class. I just want to see the whole class on the screen. Okay, children, all of you, if you have any doubt regarding today's class, you can raise your hand and we can solve your doubts. Okay. So just tell me if any one of you has any doubt. कोई भी doubt अब तक का chapter के बारे में. assignment के बारे में, किसी के भी बारे में, if you have any doubt, just raise your hand and we can talk, we can quickly talk about any chapter if you have any doubts. Today's class, if you have any doubts, anyone, class 8 is so intelligent, none of them have doubts, right? किसी को भी doubts नहीं है, कोई भी doubt नहीं है, या फिर समझ में ही नहीं आया chapter. ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना, समझ में ही नहीं आया, बस सुन रहे थे ना, मस्त सुन रहे थे, कुछ समझा ही नहीं हमने. कोई डाउट होगा, कोई भी क्वेश्चन अबाउट केजिया, हर फादर, हर ग्रैंडमदर, सब कुछ सबको समझ में आ गया? एनीथिंग, एनी डाउट? Anyone has any doubt? Okay, Kanaya, you have not switched on your cameras. ये आना जाना नहीं होगा, कभी off करे, कभी on करे. Just switch off on your cameras. All your cameras should be on. And I request all of you to just put earphones whenever you are listening to any class. Okay, so just whenever you are on any class, just put your earphones so that the voice, my voice is easily audible to you, and also that I can listen to your voices. When I want to unmute you, I can listen to your voices. Okay. So anyone has any doubts? I'm asking once again. Anyone? None of you has doubt. None of you have doubts. Harshit Tiwari, you have a doubt? Raising your hand. Raise your hand if you have any doubts. Anyone? Yes, tell me. Harshit Tiwari, do you have a doubt? Yes or no? Anyone has a doubt? Just raise your hand. Simply raise your hand. Or a doubt about anything, or if you want to suggest something. कि मैम हमको पूरा इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता है, हमको हिंदी इंग्लिश में पढ़ना है, मिक्स पढ़ना है. Any doubt? Just anything like that. Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to talk about? Anyone? No doubts? All good? All good? Okay then. Okay, that's all for today's lecture then. And you have to complete these 2 assignments and you have to submit it to me on Scholars ERP. Okay. Only some of you are submitting this assignment and some of you are not. Some children regularly submit their assignments, all of their, but some children don't submit their assignments at all. There are some students जिन्हें एक भी assignment submit नहीं किया है, so that is not acceptable. And the students who are submitting the assignments regularly, that I'm so happy about it, and you keep submitting your assignments like that. Okay, so if anyone has any doubts, last time I'm asking the question, if anyone has any doubts, anything about today's lecture, anything? No one? Okay then. Okay then, that's all for today's lecture, children. Okay, I will see you in the next one. So you complete your assignments and submit it to me on Scholars ERP. Okay. Okay then, bye-bye, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye all.